So this is not something you want to see parked next to your rig, and but then again, when you break down, it's nice to know that skilled technicians can show up on a Saturday with 3 hours notice and fix this. So I had my slide out broke. The adjustment came loose, and the left side, the following side of the slide out, was backed off on the adjustment, and the motor kept pushing to try to get it lined up, and it wasn't going to go, so it snapped. We thought it snapped the shear pin, but it didn't. It actually snapped the adjustment rod. So the technician here pulled the rod out, and he put in a new shear pin, and then he's reconnecting it. So it's supposed to be a permanent fix, and I think he knows what he's doing. So I'm hopeful that it is, especially since he's adjusting he's getting all the adjustments done and lubricating it and everything. So this should fix it. That's it for now, and then in a little while I have an explanation on exactly what was done that we'll follow up with.